Hello, my name is Vlad. I am collaboration and automation expert, business owner, guest professor, and a hobby beekeeper. Today I'll be answering some questions for you. What inspired you to become an entrepreneur? Basically, I like challenges and going out of my comfort zone. I love learning new skills and perfecting or adapting old ones. Founding your own business provides all these challenges and much more. What problem does your business solve and why is it important? People often ask me how can they attract new customers from online sources, social media, internet sites. Cost efficiency and measurable outcome is what they value the most. Next one. What makes your approach or product unique? Basically, our approach merges the modern responsive design of a website with the smaller footprint of old school static pages, which removes the risk and costs of maintaining complex databases, applications like WordPress, MySQL, etc. For other functional requirements, we harness the power of artificial intelligence and robotic processing automations, RPA, which leaves your web server to do only what is doing the best, serving websites. Next one. What challenges have you faced and how did you overcome them? The main challenge is how to keep up with the fast evolving technology and business conditions while growing your portfolio and customers. We focus on innovation, reading technology news, working on proof of concepts, and organically growing our technology infrastructure and code base. What is your vision for the future? Our vision is to create an environment of trust and innovation and also growth mindset in the local groups like beekeepers and local communities by helping entrepreneurs and business owners and their customers to find each other online. We hope to do this in a cost-effective and measurable way so that everyone is happy. That's all, folks. For more questions, please comment and under this video and follow and subscribe for our channels. Thank you.